Hey guys, FixChris here, and today I'm going to show you how to restore these yellow faded headlights for $55. All you'll need is a $50 buffer from Home Depot, microfiber towel, some polish, and some alcohol. Don't drink it, kids. Just get a little alcohol on the microfiber. Not too much, don't want to drench it. And clean off this, get all the debris off, all the water. Damn, it already looks better just with the alcohol. But it'll dry and look faded again. But man, what a difference already. Alright, now it's clean. Alright, here's the fun part. Just put a little bit of this polish. Not too much. Perfect. And that's all you need. And make sure this thing is charged.
So like right here?
Yep. And just wipe it out.
Oh, last me for tonight.
Yeah. Oh man, look at that difference. Just wipe it down and we're done. Oh man.
Whoa, that's a huge difference. Holy shit.
Look at that shine. That's like brand new. There's like a slight, yellow tint because it's, 15 years old.
Let me get under there real quick to see what I'm working with.
Nice.
It's really wet, but whatever at this point.
Yeah, that's super faded, super gone. Oh man, look at that difference. Crystal clear, guys. I'm telling you, invest in one of these buffer machines. Oh, they're great. Then I'm gonna go ahead and do that one off camera. Then I'll show you guys the after results with the lights at night. Look at that difference. Oh, that's too bright. Look at that difference though. That looks brand new from the factory. Look at that difference. It's a lot whiter on the screen than in real life. Damn.
Almost done.
Wow. It's incredible. There we go. Oh man, that looks so nice. That looks great. $50 at Home Depot or Lowe's for that buffer, and you guys are good. You have brand new headlights. I know, great investment. Brand new headlights for $50 pretty much. Oh yeah.
I don't even have to change the bulbs on that actually. They look pretty good.
Yeah, the bulbs are fine.
Obviously it actually drives.
So shiny. Like it's not gonna be brand new, but that's pretty close. That's pretty close. Alright guys, that's how you restore your headlights for cheap and the right way. Power tools always win. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed it. This good old how-to video. Love doing these. Thanks for watching. Peace.
I'm equals pro and I approve this.